What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to unboxing this. As you can see, my package has arrived and I'm so thrilled about it. So excited. And the color is so sexy, and I just don't know why, but like, look at it. Look at it. You know my bare face actually, because I didn't wear any makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Let's open this bad boy. How do I open this? The struggle. Yo. Oh my god. What? 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 So pretty. I'm gonna test one. This, I'm gonna make a swatch. So I don't know what the color will look like, because I bought this online. Oh my god, it was so nice. This one is the shade of Shabby Chic. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it now. Actually, this is my first time buying this brand, because usually I bought like Wet n Wild and also like Silky Girl, like that. But this one is called, the brand called Matte Me. Is it Matte Me or is it Sleek? I'm not sure. Is it this brand or? Oh okay. My god, you guys, look at the color. This one is the Shabby Chic. Oh my god. This one is the Shabby Chic, and it was so nice. Like, look at that. I just love the color of it, and I'm gonna try it on my lips. Wait. Can you guys see it? It was so nice. The color is pretty. Looks so natural, and I like it. I like it a lot. So the next one is the Rusted Rose. So I'm gonna try it. I don't know about this Rusted Rose though. Wait. Can you guys see it? Like, so the color is like this. Yeah, it's a bit like a brown, I guess. Yeah. What do you guys think? But I think I don't know. The texture was okay, I guess, but yeah, I guess it's, maybe I should try it, like use it for 1 week, and then I just want to know how it will come, and is it like come off when I eat? Like sometimes, like all the liquid lipstick I wear, like every time like I eat, and the lipstick will be gone, and yeah, it's kind of bummer, and like you have to put it back, and then like then yeah, if you like drink something, like, but I don't know about this one. It's like not sure, should I try it or like, it's okay. Yeah, that's think that's it. So yeah, hope you guys like this video and make sure to subscribe and see you later.